Hello, what up, what up? This is Morris once again. This is the Kenyan Hexagon. So, welcome, and welcome again to this channel. Make sure you subscribe if it is your first time. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can follow up on what we are doing here. Yeah, I've gotten a request to talk about the incentive token that seems like it is crashing 100%. Someone has just seen it at 99.42%, and you can see it's like 0.6 something until now it reaches 100%. First of all, the incentive token is very, very volatile. The incentive token, talking about it again, this is very, very volatile, and it is also the supply. You can see the liquidity is very, very little, like the supply here. You can see 5.86 million in terms of now the circulating supply of the incentive token. You can see the market cap is standing at 20.4 million, and then we have the volume at 40.94 thousand, 40.9k dollars. Okay, and then we have now the banned tokens at 147.49. You see, these are the in terms of 147.49k. These are the tokens that have been sent to a wallet that you should not have expectations of profit from, and that is what it means by banned. And then you can see now the liquidity. It's at 775.9k dollars. Okay, now the incentive token, for those who are new, just understand that it is a token that you get once you provide liquidity in the various farms in the PulseChain and PulseChain in the PulseX farms. Okay, so these are liquidity pools. These are just people bringing in their liquidity together so that other traders can use that liquidity to trade against, maybe we can say Pulse against the incentive token, Pulse against Hex, that is Pulse against PulseX. So you bring in two sides of that pair. You bring in Pulse, and then you bring in the same amount of um of Pulse and PulseX together, and then you provide that liquidity in that farm. Of course, now you'll be earning interest. You'll be earning interest by doing that, right? And once now you earn interest, now the interest that you get is now this incentive token. Like, you are incentivized for doing that. Okay, now this is the price chart. Where is it? This is the price chart for the incentive token. Okay, it's trading at 0.3655. It's the most liquid. Okay, in terms of the most liquid is the PulseX, but then in terms of price, this token is trading the all-time high. You can see it was trading at $82, $82.79. Now, quick analysis. We're just measuring from all its time high to all its time low. How is price performing? Yeah, so we take this price range and our projection. We are just projecting to see the price range from all the time high up to the current price that it is right now. It's trading at around, it's down 99.55%. Yeah, so right now, actually not 99, it's around 96. 99 point, yeah, it was 99.4 something. Now I think that was the all-time high, all-time low. Yeah, from the until the until the lowest price it has been. You can see it's 99.6%. So now to answer the question for that guy, of course I've answered him, but then this is very wise just to do this video to explain that as much as this asset has gone down, and there's a statement that Richard had said, like, do not underestimate the power of a certain asset. By its price being down, it doesn't reflect or overweigh that stuff is good, or how that asset is good. Now you see, this is the incentive token. It is very, very like, it is just you can't just get it anyway unless you go and buy it or you provide liquidity. You can't just get it on the exchanges anyhowly. So now here we have it, and this is how it has been performing. It's down 99.6%. If it gets to 100%, I don't know what will that be, but it will not. Now, what are we seeing here? This is the weekly chart, and you can see the week has started with a green candle. So we are waiting to see how this is gonna happen. Yeah, today we are day 1025 since PulseChain was launched, and when it was launched, it came up with PulseX. It came up with it was launched with the incentive token, and every token that was lying or was on the Ethereum blockchain, it was now listed on it was now existing on the PulseChain blockchain. So since then, that was around 2023, around March, around this period when it was launched. Now, since then until now, it has been in existence, and that is how it has been performing. So it is still down, yes, but then now price might just uh, price will bounce, or the bulls will be taking over the market anytime. Yeah, now I've talked about that because we have Provex. We have Provex.com that is launching anytime soon, and this will be a game changer. It will be a game changer on the PulseChain network or the PulseChain ecosystem, because now we'll be having an exchange that you don't need now to go and bridge your Ethereum so that you buy Pulse, and then after you buy Pulse, now you swap it to these tokens. You can just go and purchase Pulse immediately, like directly. That is, you buy directly from your bank to your wallet. The same way with PulseX, you can buy it directly. So this is Provex that is coming now to replace all those other exchanges, the likes of Binance, the likes of, where are they? They are here. I'd seen that comparison somewhere. Yeah, just I think I'll get it. But then it is comparing those other exchanges, the likes of Binance, and now how it compares with these other exchanges. Okay. Yep. So it is being beta tested right now. It is being beta tested, and you can just go and try it out. And if you have any input, there's a way that you can give feedback before it launches fully, or at this period. I think they have it's when it can be corrected or maybe updated to a certain way so that the people can use it. But then once it launches fully, it will be decentralized, and it will not be able to be changed by anyone, even Richard Hart or the devs themselves. So yeah. So Provex, yeah, trust is dead. Long live Provex. It's still coming, and that is what we are seeing, the massive liquidity that will be joining us soon. There's a lot of money. There's a lot of liquidity that will be coming our way. Like if you want to buy the dip, this period or any place between this area here, you can purchase and you will have bought the dip. Okay, so once you buy the dip, that means any price between this low here and this high here, you will always be on profits. Always, you'll be always on profits until the moment that you decide to sell. Yeah, so thank you very much. We are just doing a very simple analysis of how the price is performing right now, and just the magnitude of how it has gone down and what we might be anticipating. Yeah, so once price starts going up, we'll be seeing now these some of some of these trend lines being challenged and being invalidated. And once they have been invalidated, now price will be confirming that the bulls are back in the market and you can buy. So if you just want now to maybe to strike a good entry in the market, you just don't buy like without analyzing. It's good now to look what is happening. Like right now, you can see prices touch this high here, the higher low, and higher low here, and then it has been making more higher lows. So this is a good point now, right now, to buy because price as is actually at its lowest. Actually, you can see this week, actually today, the price is bullish. You can see the green candle here, indicating that price is there's some good buy momentum that is happening. Yeah, so just by narrowing down, you get good entry points, and these entry points determine your ROI, your return on investment, the price that you have, the amount of money that you've put in the asset. So you can see it's like creating now the W again that I had talked about. Even we have now the fractals, the small W's, the small W patterns that are happening on the market. So that is to say that the price is still showing that it's been it's been rejected, or it is, yeah, price is being rejected at these low points here. And you can see even now here, this candlestick here, we had it's like a hammer, and the bulls really pushed the price up so much. Yeah, like since there's a lot of, this is a hot zone. Any price below that, you can see these wicks are showing that the price is, it's like there's a lot of liquidity that is has been fetched there, and price is looking forward to still continue going higher. So we have a lot, we really have a lot to discuss about. So yeah, price up, ha ha ha, price up, ha 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 ha, price up, ha ha ha. That is my 2 cents for this video, and welcome. Make sure you subscribe for more analysis like this. Peace.